Hi and welcome to the WP Toolkit tutorial video for Blog Link Magic. As this is a WordPress plugin, the first step is to upload and activate the plugin. So go to the Add New Plugin page on your WordPress installation, choose Upload Plugin, then click on Choose File and navigate to wherever you've stored the zip file on your hard disk or your computer. Choose the file, click on Open, then simply click on the Install Now button. It'll take a second or two, and once it's installed, you then simply click on the Activate Plugin button to activate the Blog Link Magic plugin. And if we now scroll down in our admin dashboard menu on the left, you'll see it appears towards the bottom, WP Toolkit, Blog Link Magic. Now there are 4 options available: links, export, import, and options. We're going to start with the options menu. And as you can see, there really isn't much to set up here. First of all, you do need to specify what you want the prefix to be. It defaults to links, but I recommend you change it to something else. And you can see what the format here is going to be for our links. We have a domain name, the prefix, and then the link name itself. So in this case, I'm going to change this to more. And the next option is the number of links per post, the maximum number. You don't want too many links appearing on posts because that can make the post link heavy. So it really does depend on the length of your content, but generally 3, 4, 5, 6, something around there is the right kind of number for most content, most posts. So simply update your prefix, choose the maximum number of links per post, click on Save Options. Okay, so next we'll look at actually creating a link. So we'll click on the links menu and bring up the links page. And as you can see, there's a fresh installation with no links currently listed in the system. So first of all, I'm going to give this new link a name. I'm going to call this one Real, if I can spell, Estate. And then I'm going to pop in the actual link itself. So this is an affiliate link that I've grabbed from ClickBank in this case, but obviously it'll work with any type of affiliate link, offer link, whatever you need it to be, even to your own office. And then I'm going to pop in a description for this link. Now the description obviously should be something that helps you recognize what the link is about. I often include a URL for the affiliate page or JV page for the offer if I've got it, because that means I can get to that information very quickly and easily for promotional purposes. I can check the details on there. And next I'm going to pop in some keywords for this particular link. Now, these keywords are separated by a comma, so you can see I've got 3 separate sets of keywords: work in real estate, comma, real estate school, comma, and real estate career. The number of keywords you have in here, the more you have, the more likely the content will have a match in it, and therefore you will have a link. You need to know your content, or a bit about your content, to know what kind of keywords you've got in there. But yes, you can just go with general keywords under that particular topic for that offer, but have a think about what is likely to appear in the posts that you have, the content that you have, to try and make sure those keywords will be there in the content, because that is what triggers the keyword link to the affiliate offer. Okay, so if there are no keywords in your posts for work in real estate, for instance, then this link is not going to appear. Having said that, you also don't want to stuff this with too many keywords. Generally 4 or 5 should do the job. You can have more if you want, but if you have lots and lots, it's going to slow things down. It's not actually going to help, because you'll end up with too many links going to the same offer. Okay, and the last part is the cloaking type. I use iframe embed when I'm actually needing to hide the affiliate links so that people can't find the affiliate name and hijack that particular affiliate link. A lot of the time, because the affiliate link will then redirect or resolve at a different page, you can just go with HTML redirect. It's always worth checking to make sure you know what the terms are for the affiliate program that you're using as well. Some don't like you using iframes, that kind of cloaking, whereas HTML they will all happily use. Okay, so if you're not sure, go with HTML and have a look at what it works out at when you click on the link to have a look at it. But iframe can be used to disguise that and totally cloak those links. Okay, once you've put all the information in, simply click on Add, and we've now added a new link to our list of links in Blog Link Magic. And you can add as many links as you need to whatever offers you want, and they will all appear here in the list at the top. And if you need to edit in any of them, simply click on edit and it will open up the original link, and you can just change the product link, name, description, keywords, play around with the keywords or the cloaking type, whatever you need to do. So for instance, if this particular affiliate program disappeared, if it stopped being there for me to use, then I could come back in here, and rather than delete the link entirely, I could replace it with a different affiliate link or offer for real estate, and that would then replace that across all the links within the posts that I have and the content that I have that is relevant to that link. If that link had been hard coded into the individual posts and it needed changing, to go through and track down all those posts and update all those links would take so much time it would be impractical. With Blog Link Magic, you just edit the link and it's done for you. So let's click on update and go back to our links list. Now, once you have all your links set up on this blog, if you want to use them on another blog, another website that you own that is similar and has similar topics, similar content, it's very, very easy to do so. All we need to do is come across to the export feature, and it'll bring up the export page. We simply click on export Blog Link Magic links, and it actually exports that as a CSV file downloaded locally to our hard disk. Now the file is called blog link magic links.csv, and if you're doing this for multiple blogs in multiple niches, you may want to change the file name to reflect the particular niche. Now let's have a look at actually importing a list of links. So we'll go across to the import facility. And again, this is very easy to do. Let's get rid of the message down the bottom there. Let's click on choose file, and it'll open up a browser window, and I'm simply going to specify the links list that I want to import. Now this is bloglinkmagic_links. It is a standard sounding file, but in this case it has a whole bunch of links that are specifically relevant to this blog and the niche that it's in. So I'll simply click on open, and it'll take a second or two. Oh, sorry. Then I click on submit, and it'll take a second or two to import those links. We got 15 new links imported. So let's go to our links list and have a look. And you can see we now have a much longer list of links within our dashboard. You'll also notice that on these links I'm using a tracking ID, which is $TID equals and then the name. In this particular case it's the site. That's simply so I can see where commissions are coming from in my ClickBank dashboard based on the site. So I've just put the name for the site as the TID. That can be quite useful information within your affiliate dashboard. The important bit really here is that we've added over a dozen new links and keywords to our blog in seconds, and that will now dynamically link keywords across all our content based on the keywords for each individual link, linking out to those affiliate programs that we've chosen. And that, in summary, is how quick and easy it is to monetize your blog and all your existing content with the Blog Link Magic plugin. Now basically what we've looked at so far is the automated side of the plugin, but yes, you can also use it to add links within posts themselves. So let's come across to an add new post page. I'll pop in some text, and let's say we want to add in a link to one of our affiliate links here within the text. I simply go to the WP Toolkit Blog Link Magic browser icon, click on that, and it will bring up a list of all the links that we have within the linker, and we just choose whichever one we want. So let's go with lesson plans, and in it goes. I'll pop a space after it. Now when you look at this, please be aware, if we go to the text view, in this view it's not going to show the actual affiliate link. What we've got, if I highlight it here, is a placeholder. So this URL doesn't exist. What the system does is dynamically replace that URL, that placeholder, with the correct affiliate link for the lesson plans affiliate program and the lesson plans affiliate link within the system when the page is generated, i.e. when someone visits that page, the link is then inserted to the correct affiliate program. So don't worry that it looks wrong. That's how the system works, okay? It is simply a placeholder that will link to the correct affiliate program when someone visits that page. That's basically how the system is able to replace those links that are dead, the affiliate programs that you're promoting that have disappeared. It can replace them when you edit the link because the links are dynamically generated when the content is viewed. Okay, basically, when you see this URL and go, oh, that's not correct, don't panic, it is correct because that's the way it's supposed to be within the post. And that is basically it for how to use blog link magic. We've kept it very simple to make it very, very effective and quick to use and to monetize all your existing content. We don't like things that get overcomplicated. This is extremely powerful, and partly because it's so simple to use. Now let's go over and actually look at some of the content that has now been linked dynamically because we've imported those link files. Now you'll notice this is a very clean basic theme. It's a very old theme that I had designed for my own use, and this is just one of my old test sites with a whole bunch of articles that I use for testing things out. And all we're going to do is hit the refresh button to refresh, and we'll suddenly get some links appearing in this article. Okay, so here we go, classes in Spanish and Spanish language schools. So we've got 2 links appearing in this article straight away. And if you look down in the bottom left here, you can see the format of that link is the domain name /more/Spanish language.html. Now, the way these links are formatted, it looks very much as if we're linking to other content within our blog. So this makes it very easy for people to click on it to go through to our offer because they think they're just clicking on something for more related content. So it's a very subtle and very effective way of linking out to your affiliate programs because it looks like it's linking to more content. Now the other point here is how the links actually appear will be down to the particular theme that you're using. Different themes allow you to play with this, and you can make the links more bold, underlined, larger text, etc. if you want to highlight them more. Again, I tend to have mine quite subtle, but it entirely depends on you and the theme that you're using and how you want them formatted. And if I scroll down, you'll see this has also got a link appearing in it in the header. Scroll down, here's another one, beauty school, that's actually been added in again from that link list. Basically, it's gone through and done links in all sorts of content and posts across the whole of this blog just from importing that link list. These have all been added from that without me having to manually add them to our blog. Okay, so that's blog link magic. You can see it really is easy to use, but it's very, very powerful. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial video. We hope you get a great deal out of this plugin, and please feel free to contact us through the support desk if you have any feedback for us, if you have any questions, if you have any ideas that you would like to see added to the plugin. Again, please get in touch, and thank you very much for watching.